publicly thank Congressman Martin Romualdez for taking me in Lakas CMD and accepting the challenge to be my campaign, my two campaign managers during the last election. It was not without irritations and challenges, but you did very well. 32.2 million votes. You did it all. Alam nyo, pagod, puyat, luha, lahat yun ni Congressman Martin Romualdez. And as a candidate, I'm truly appreciative of how he took care of me. Actually, silang dalawa, dalawang campaign managers ko. I was always with food. I was always full. And lagi silang nagpapalitan na nagpapadala ng pagkain sa akin. So one campaign manager will send today, the next day the other campaign manager will send me food.